So for me, I think some of those ordinals could outpace BTC in the same period of time.
Okay. And what's so when you think about the whole, look, guys, we're going to rotate into the NFT scene now, like what's triggering that for you guys?
I think it's the adoption of ETH, right? And so, or like not the adoption of ETH, but like, I mean that from probably the macro sense and the institutional sense.
Okay.
Where I come from it from a trader's POV and an opportunity from like a person who's listening to the show, it's like, okay, well, the money's moving into Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum dominance, it's going up. If you look at the ETH versus BTC pair, it's also going up. It's found a bottom. Basically, both of those charts bottomed at the 2019 lows of the same equivalence. So I was like, well, okay, this is a good hedge on where you probably want to be on the market. And right now, everyone's really wanting to trade on Ethereum and subnets or like obviously layer 2s and stuff. But the hedge of NFTs and the hedge of meme coins like Pepe, but Pepe's really fallen off. But like MOG, SBX, Reccoin as well, like some of the most performing or best performing assets we've seen over the past couple of months are all Ethereum-based meme coins, right? Solana had a huge multi-year bull, like huge, just absolute like adoption, right? But now we've seen a shift back into Ethereum. And so for me, I trade all these micro trends on Ethereum, whether they're NFTs or meme coins, to make more ETH at the end of the day, right? Because I do think they outpace Ethereum as an asset. So regarding NFTs, I think it's been a big shift into utility this cycle, obviously with Pengu and Pudgy Penguins and Luca and what he's building over there. So
can you just like sort of explain that for people?
Yeah, I suppose, for people who don't know. So Luca Nets is probably one of the most notable people in cryptocurrency, one of the most notable founders. He acquired Pudgy Penguins maybe 3 years ago now, 3 or 4 years ago. During the bear market, and where he's taken that IP, that brand is crazy. Like their Walmart toys, it's probably rumored that they're going to be McDonald's toys.
True.
They launched a Pengu token, which millions of people got for free. They obviously have one of the biggest IPs out there across Instagram, TikTok, all those sorts of things. They have billions of views on their Giphy. And then obviously they also have Abstract Chain, which I've been trading and earning a bit of money, but also farming that airdrop, which we'll get later this year confirmed. So like that's a big shift in why I think a lot of people aren't buying, say, your apes anymore. They're buying a Pudgy Penguin, or they're looking at someone like Spencer, who's just acquired Moonbirds, and he made over $10 million on Pudgy Penguins. He runs a VC for NFT trading only, like doesn't even touch other sort of markets, right? So I'm like, oh, he's just acquired that. That's probably a really good opportunity. I'm probably going to buy Moonbird here because what he brings to us as a holder probably is going to be better than any other opportunity out there. So I think about that from a mindset, from a trade. And then I go, okay, well, do I want to own a NFT that's on Ethereum? Well, yes, Ethereum's really starting to catch up to the rest of the market like it hasn't all cycle. And I think it's a good hedge on Ethereum. I could probably make more Ethereum by holding a big Pudgy or holding my Moonbird for a short period of time or 6 months, whatever it is, than trying to hold ETH in that same period of time. So always thinking analytically about trends, markets, and I'm extremely plugged in. Like I'm plugged in every day. So it's I think you have to be. And I mean, to be the leader of a community, you have to be. But I love it, man. It's so good.